Hello, my name is Kellen Vu, and I am a high school senior at Arizona School for the Arts in Phoenix, Arizona. Today is March 15th, 2019, and I am about to open my admissions decision from Johns Hopkins University. But first, I'll give a little bit of background information about myself. The colleges that I applied to were Columbia University, Harvard University, Johns Hopkins University, Princeton University, Reed College, Stanford University, Swarthmore College, Williams College, and Yale University. I actually applied to Stanford through restrictive early action earlier this year, so I got my decision back already, and I got accepted. So that's most likely where I'm going next year, but we'll still see what the results are for these colleges. I guess we'll start out with test scores. I got a 1570 on the SAT, specifically a 780 on reading and writing, and a 790 on math. I did not take the ACT, but I took 3 SAT subject tests, and those were an 800 on Math 2, 800 on Literature, and then 720 on US History, but I didn't report that one, so it doesn't really count. I have a unweighted GPA of 4.0 and a weighted GPA of 4.6. My school does not rank. I took 3 AP tests. I got a 5 on AP Calculus, AB, 5 on AP Literature, and then a 4 on US History. For senior year, I'm taking all honors classes and AP classes. Specifically, my 2 AP classes are AP US Government and AP Statistics. I guess a couple of my major awards are in 10th grade. I won the state championship of a competition called Poetry Out Loud, and then I represented Arizona at the national competition. And in 11th grade, I was selected by Junior Achievements and the Arizona Republic State newspaper as one of Arizona's 18 highest achieving teenagers. My 3 main extracurriculars are: in 9th grade, I was the co-founder of a service club called Freshmen for Freshwater. We raised over $7,000 in one academic year to build a well in South Sudan to provide people with drinking water. Starting in 10th grade, I started volunteering 4 hours per week at a neurophysiology lab in the Barrow Neurological Institute, where I prepare experiments and analyze data. And lastly, since 9th grade, I have been a member of Model United Nations, and starting in 11th grade, I have been the co-president of Model United Nations. My 2 essays that I wrote for Johns Hopkins, the first one was about Poetry Out Loud, and the second one was about Freshmen for Freshwater. And I had 2 letters of recommendation. The first one was from my 10th grade history teacher, who is now the vice principal of my school. And the second one was from my 9th grade history teacher. She was the advisor for Freshmen for Freshwater and for Model United Nations. My intended major is something related to pre-medical studies. Like I mentioned before, I'm from Arizona, and I am Vietnamese American. I think that's everything. So, let's just jump into it and open the link. Alright. Yes! 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 Okay. I got admitted. You've been admitted to the class of 2023. Welcome to Johns Hopkins. Yes. It says, Dear Kellen, congratulations. You've been admitted to the Johns Hopkins University class of 2023. We recognize your potential as an extraordinary scholar and member of society, and we hope you'll continue your journey with us this fall. Once again, on behalf of the entire Hopkins community, congratulations and welcome. There was actually more to the letter that I didn't read the first time, and it says, You're a scholarship recipient. Dear Kellen, on behalf of President Ronald J. Daniels and the deans of the Homewood campus, I am pleased to inform you that you have been named a Hodson Trust Scholar, an honor that carries with it a $37,500 tuition scholarship. So, I got in. That's super exciting. I don't really have anything else to say, so I'll see you guys soon when the IB admissions are out.